What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today I got these guys. This is the Jabra Elite 85T. I punched myself in the face. We're gonna go ahead and get this box popped, explore all of its contents, then we're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and of course, a latency test. So sit back, relax, grab that popcorn, let's have a little bit of fun. You ready? Let's go. All right guys, let's get this box popped open. There we go, should slide up. That was easy. Now what? Slide sideways. To get started, we need to download the Jabra Sound app. I already have that. We're good. Just your get started guide. Let's get this stuff out the way. It's a nice pouch here, guys. Feels like premium leather. I don't know why that amuses me, but it's satisfying. Oh, this is a nice presentation here. What do we got? These are pretty dope looking. Here's our headphones.
Go to the Bluetooth menu on your mobile device and select the Jabra product from the list.
Oh, let's see what else we get in here and then we'll go back to that guy. So you got your aux cable, audio adapter, USB-C to A cable. Let's move this to the side. All right guys, so we got USB Type-C, your aux input. This looks like an assistant button, I'm not sure, has a little mic logo, and maybe that's the power button. Does it say which is left and right? Yeah, on the inside, right there, shows left. If we go the other way, there it is. There's the R. I lost my focus. Anyways, you guys get it. R and L. Let's pull these up. It looks metal, but it's definitely plastic. See if it was cold. Let's get this paired up. It just told me in my ears to go to the Bluetooth menu on my mobile device. My list, it's getting out of control. There we are, 85H. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the Jabra app. Ooh, I hate it when that happens. I gotta have the most current firmware to be able to tell you guys what I think. Update now. So it looks like it's going to update in the background. Choose your voice assistant, use default. So it is downloading the software now. So, in my experience with Jabra and updating firmwares on their earbuds, it's probably gonna take 30 to 45 minutes, guys. Maybe I'm lucky, it takes 15 to 20. Maybe it's somewhere in the middle. So, I'll be back in a flash. And I'm back, just like that. So the headset has been updated to the latest firmware. A couple other things I wanted to show you before I started listening to the audio. Over here, you have your volume control. So you tap up to go up, down to go down. In the center will pause and play the music. And then yes, this is your voice assistant button over here. Next thing I want to do really quick, guys, is just kind of go through the app, show the settings really quick. This is the app here, and you can set up your moments. You can change the scenery or the settings that you're in. You have your active noise cancellation here through, which is like Apple's transparency mode. You can turn everything off. And then you have your equalizer, and you can manually change the equalizer to what suits you, or you can use one of the presets. I'm gonna go ahead and click bass boost because I'm that bass head. So that is really the main features of the app here. So I guess it's audio test time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and listen, and we'll meet back here in a few minutes. So this is the time where you're gonna go ahead and put your headphones on, right? You know what to do, put that little box here that says, put your headphones on. Let's do this. Okay. Highs are nice. Here comes that bass. Highs are so crispy. I really could hear everything, all the instruments. Alright guys, so there you have it. What'd you think? Let me know down in the comments below. These headphones are super clear. The highs are tremendous. The clarity in which you can hear the instruments is actually exceptional. The bass is very good. It doesn't rattle the brain, but it's nice and punchy. It hits. It's also clear. It doesn't distort any of the instruments, any of the words. You can still hear everything as the drivers are hitting, and the mids are good. They're milky. They're smooth. I actually thoroughly enjoyed my listening experience. Do you agree with my opinion? Let me know. Now it's mic test time. There we go. I gotta say, these ear pads are super comfortable, super soft. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 85H. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 85H headphones. How do they sound? Let me know down in the comments below. So next up is going to be the active noise cancellation test. Now there's definitely a passive cancellation, that is for sure. What's up guys, Future Dave here. I had to jump back into the video at a later date because there was an issue with the ANC test. For some reason, and I'm not sure if it's sensor related or what, the Jabra 85H and Ted here are just not cooperating. I have tried this test, I don't know, 15 times now, trying to get the two to work together, but for whatever reason, the test just is not working at all. What I can tell you is the hear through mode works awesome. There's multiple different levels that you can use for hear through mode, so you can increase its sensitivity or decrease it. And then ANC is awesome, works really, really well. I think you guys would be very pleased with it. I really wish I was able to bring that to you so you could hear it and listen to it for yourself. But unfortunately, these guys are not playing nice. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it. That's that. Let's go ahead and get the latency test started right now. All right guys, so here we go right now. Latency test with the Jabra Elite 85H. I think that's actually going to be really good just for me listening and pushing the button. Ray does the editing and he's going to sync it all up and how long this takes, but just by listening and seeing, latency seems to be very, very low. Might be one of the best just from listening, like, and seeing what's going on. Actually, that's pretty impressive. So audio test, mic test, active noise cancellation test, latency test. I think we covered it. I think we covered all the tests, guys. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.